My people, you see this life, eh? When one door closes, 10 more can open, especially when your name is Obi Cubana. Okay, while one of these investments in Abuja is currently going through court issues, the Igbo billionaire has already moved on to the next big thing because his lights can never be dimmed. Ladies and gentlemen, BUJ Residences by Obi Cubana is coming. Yes, so a brand new luxury community right in Abuja, and according to Cubana himself, sales officially begin February 2026. That means a new wave of investment, new opportunities, and of course, more money. From the visuals released so far, BUJ Residences is shaping up to become one of the best and most modern residential estates in the entire capital city. Top-tier facilities, contemporary designs, secure environments, and that signature Cubana lifestyle written all over it. Obi Cubana is basically telling Nigerians, challenges don't stop my progress. I keep building, I keep investing, and I keep growing.
My CEO, congratulations again. The Enviable is finally here. All the sizes and all colorations are here. So, which one is it? Let me open this one.
You know, we started with the tricycle oil.
Yes,
the one because of the much sell tricycle.
Yes.
So, but this one
is the bigger one.
The bigger ones. This is 20W50.
It's very heavy. Yeah, okay.
So this one is for like the most of the cars that we use in Nigeria, like Corolla, Camry, mostly all these foreign use, some cars that are already going down. This is the best of it. You know the kind of things.
I want to give them this one, let them go and sleep. They will not die again. Because already are so.
This one will pamper their engine.
Enviable, you pamper your engine. This is the
20W50.
Wow.
This is the 4 liters. We also have
with the seal of Enviable.
If it doesn't have the seal, it's not from us. See, we also have the 1 liter of the 20W15.
Let me open it. Everything is tear rubber today. Okay. I cost 1 liter too. It's just top up.
So some people, because of the way their engines are, maybe 4 liters.
They need more of this.
Yeah.
So this is like a top up.
Yeah.
To the 4 liter.
And then some of the old cars are always like top up. This can also go for these small generators and all those things. Yeah.
Because of the quality.
Because of the quality.
And with the Enviable seal here. Here and here. And great. And this is the set 20W50.
This is the 1 liter.
Thank you.
These are 15W40.
Okay.
These are used for diesel engines. So these are what we use to service our trucks.
Wow.
All those all those heavy caterpillars. These are for 25 liters. And the drums, because we used to have industrial people that need seats, so because of their engines.
Okay, so
you understand?
Here, fill up this one.
They don't fill it up, they just because they want quantity. This is like 205 liters. And the good thing is that we are giving them quality with the best price. The price that they will be shocked at the quality.
That's one thing about Enviable. What we give you is the best of the quality, the best price, because we are customer friendly. Everything about Enviable, from our transportation, our logistics, and right now oil.
And we have synthetic oils for the new cars, brand new cars. Yeah. You already know this one.
All right.
So before now, people have been using the 20W50 to service their tricycle.
Okay.
Before I said, no, this is not how it should be. I said there is a particular oil that is for tricycle, for clutch vehicles. So this oil you are seeing here have been proven. Anybody that is driving keke that have used the oil have actually been addicted to it. This will pamper your keke engine very well.
So this is the banana island of the whole oil.
For different purpose. So that is why you see some vehicles, they will tell you this is the particular oil you will use for it.
Yeah.
You understand?
The engine is big.
Yeah, and all. So, you understand?
Synthetic of them all?
We have different synthetic oils that we use for brand new vehicles, depending on the one the customer is in need of. As big shot in the market, we don't plan selling to retailers.
So
we want to be distributors, and we have different categories of distributors. So if you want to be a state distributor, if you meet up our requirements, we'll supply you everything, and everybody that is going to be the city distributor, the community distributor, the village distributor will now come be linked up to the state distributor. Yes, and then some people who are going to be for the southeast distributors, some people who are going to be for the west distributors. Everything will be structured, so we don't want to be selling to individual, but we'll make sure that
it gets to everybody of Nigeria.
That is how we want it.
So while some are dragging him over the Abuja Lounge court case, the man is already preparing another multi-million-dollar project that will shake Abuja real estate. My people will get ready, because come February 2026, BUJ Residences will officially hit the market. And if you know Cubana, you know this one go too hot. Stay tuned. I'll keep bringing you every update as it happen.